For this DIY, you need a empty spray bottle. Add a few drops of dish soap, add some water, and stir it well. What you want to do first is spray the door handle. After that, spray both your hands before peeling off the paint protection film for the handle. Before applying the paint protection film onto the handle, spray both sides of the film, and once you do that, you just need to align the film with the handle and use credit card or any kind of plastic card and work your way, pushing all the water and air out, and you're pretty much done for that part. This is a really easy DIY that anybody can do it, and the best part is once it is done, the next day you can't even tell the difference, and you don't have to worry about your handle getting scratched or getting dirty after having the paint protection on. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Here is the picture of the door handle with the paint protection film on. The next day you can't even tell the difference.